Hello friends, I'm Arav and today I'm going to teach you how to make a security alarm using your Mbot. So I have my Mbot here and you will need the infrared remote control also. If you don't want it, it's okay. You can use the Mbot switch also, but I would like the infrared remote control. So first of all, I'm gonna connect my Mbot with my laptop. So I'm gonna put the cable and then I'm gonna turn it on. As you can see, it's on. Now I'll show you the coding part. So over here, this is our M block, and you can open a new file and keep the title as security alarm. So you might know the ultrasonic sensor in Mbot. So first and foremost, we are gonna connect it and we're gonna update the firmware so that what happened? So it is connected. I'm just gonna update the firmware so that like I have made a program before so that it will be gone and it'll get updated. So it's 30%. So it's completed. I'm gonna connect it. I'm just gonna check if the firmware is updated. So yes, it's updated and the Mbot should red light. Now I'm gonna start with the coding. So now over here you can go to the event section and get when space key pressed. Then what we can do, we can get a forever loop. Over here as the forever loop, yeah. We are gonna get if condition. Then now what should we do? We are gonna get this wait until block. And over here we're gonna go to sensing. So if you don't wanna use the infrared remote, you can over here you can put when on button press, but I am using the infrared remote, so I'm gonna put this over here and give it set. So set is the settings button in the infrared remote. The settings button is called set in the short form. Then what should we do is, how will we know that like how will we know that the mbot has received the signal? So for that I'm gonna turn on a light. So we want light color, otherwise it's if it's too bright, like we cannot see it, like we'll just close our eyes or we'll see somewhere. So we need light colors, so we'll keep the color as 50 blue and 20 green. This can you can make it 40. Then we're just gonna check it. I'm gonna click space. So when I press settings, it turns on. So when I press settings, it turns on. I'll just show you one sec. So as you can see over here, when I press the settings button in the infrared remote, the LED turns on. But the problem now over here is we should off it in, like, you can say 0.7 seconds or 1 sec. Otherwise it would be on and like it won't be good. So yeah, I'll just show you what should we do for that. We're gonna go to the control section, get this block called wait 1 second and make it 0.7 second or what you think it's fine. We're gonna go again to show and get this turn on all lights. If you know how to off the light LEDs, like you can try it, put away a 0 so it will make it off, or you can tell LED all shows color with the brightness 0, then it will turn off. So now when we press the settings button, it's gonna just turn on the lights for 0.7 seconds, and I'll just show you working. So over here you can see my bot and the remote. I press the settings button, it starts and it offs. So good, it's working fine till here. Now we come to our structure of the settings. So for this, like if you have known a security alarm is like it's kept near a door, but you don't know the door can be like it can be big and or it can be small, not by height but I'm telling by width. So if the door might like you can tell if it's small this much and this might be you can say 30 centimeters. So if you know all the ultrasonic sensor, it gets the distance. So if we take it 30 centimeters and we kept this like put this in if it's less than 30 centimeters, then buzz the alarm. So if this one is Mbot and this is the wall and in between it's a door. So this one like the Mbot, so if we on it and we would say 30 centimeters, then okay, if someone passes by, like if I put my hand or like someone walks away, it's gonna alarm, like it's gonna buzz the alarm. So, but what if we increased it? If we increase the width, then it's you can say 50 centimeters, but mbot is still 30 centimeters. So, if the person goes sticking to the wall, this is the wall, and if the person goes sticking to it, it won't buzz because it's set to 30 centimeters. It should be less than 30 centimeters. So, we're gonna make it automated so it can judge the distance and then like if it's 100 or 4 meters or you can say 20 centimeters, it's gonna decide it by itself. So we're gonna have to make it a variable. So we'll make the variable named distance, and then we're gonna set distance over here to the ultrasonic sensor. So over here there's one problem. So the problem is distance will be no wait. Yeah. So the problem is if you can see over here. Wait 1 second. Yeah, now you can see better. Over here, the ultrasonic sensor it shows the live distancing. So if I keep my hand in the middle, you can see it fluctuates. Like it fluctuates like 1 to 2 centimeter differ. But you would think it's not a problem. But it's a problem and it's gonna be a problem. So when you're gonna put this forever loop over here, and then what you're gonna do, we'll come to this later. Then what we're gonna do, we're gonna get this less than, sorry, this one. And we're gonna go to sensing, get the ultrasonic sensor port 3 distance. Remember, my ultrasonic sensor is plugged into port 3. Your ultrasonic sensor might be plugged into port 1, port 2, port 3, or 4. If it's not port 3, just remember to change it, otherwise it won't work. Yeah. And then what should we do is then we're gonna go to the uh, control section, get the wait seconds, and we're gonna keep it 10. Now you would ask why 10. So if for example a thief comes and this is on the door, on your door, so the thief comes and it just buzzes the alarm at the same time, the thief would run. So how would we catch the thief? For that we'll just have a pause of like 10 seconds, 6 seconds, it depends on you, but yeah, there should be a pause. Then we buzz the alarm. Understand? So the thief is inside and the alarm will keep it a strong alarm till like you can say 15-20 seconds, so that in deep sleep also you will wake up and you can go and call police and etc. So for that we have kept wait 10 seconds. Then so what are we gonna do then? We're gonna go to the variable section, get the distance variable we made, put it over here. I'll explain this why and I'll explain the whole code. Then the last and not the least, we have to go to the show section and get the play sound at frequency 1 second. So over here, this sound is not that sharp. So I'll just show you. So this is not sharp. So I know one sound which is very good and it's very sharp. So you can just listen to this. It's fine. So we're gonna set this over here 15 seconds. Okay, so you can hear it. Sorry, the sound is too less. Like you can hear very less. Yes, so it's good and sharp sound and we can keep it. Now I wanted to tell you about this. So over this, if I set my Mbot at one position, so it's not moving. It's not moving at all. And you can see, 1 second, I'll just make it full screen. You can see that it's differing like 1-2 centimeters. You can tell that 2-3 centimeter is differing. Like see, if for example the distance over here we set it to 15 centimeters, but like when the distance is set, because it's fluctuating, so when the distance was set, for example this was 15.25 centimeters, and now you can see it's ranging to 15.34 centimeter. So if it came to 15.34 centimeter, it's gonna blare the alarm, buzz the alarm, because it thinks, no, like if it came less than, sorry, by mistake, if it came less than 15.25 centimeters, you can see it's fluctuating, and it was 15.4. So if that happens once, it's gonna blare the alarm. So what the best thing we can do is, I think most of you have thought it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the operator section and get this minus. So it's only like few centimeters, like 3-4 centimeters. What will happen in that? So we are gonna keep pause of 5 centimeter. I'm keeping 5. If you want, you can keep it 4, because 5 is like the safe, like it's not gonna fluctuate like 5 centimeters, so it's not gonna fluctuate that much. So yeah, I think it's a safe point. Now we're done with our code, and now I would like to show you how it works. Yes, so I'm gonna show you. So I'll just show you on my video. So now you can see me, guys, and here's my bot over here. So just give me a second, I'll just adjust the camera. Guys, now you can see my bot, and this is the wall. You can see this is the wall, and this is the path in between. Okay, so I'll just start the program in front of you guys, and there's no program, like we have not changed the program. So this is the same program, and when I click this paste key, you can see it highlights. That means it's working. And now I'm gonna press the set button on the remote. I'll just show it to you guys. So over here in the screen sharing, 1 second, I'll just on it. So over here you can see it was 62 centimeters. Like wait, I set it the variable like this, sorry. Now you can see that distance equals to 0 centimeter distance, and here the Mbot, so distance is 0, and Mbot ultrasonic sensor, it's getting the distance as 69 centimeters. Over here I'm gonna start the program. Started, you can see the blue lights. Now I'll just show you the distance, and I'll show you how much change it has changed. So you can see distance is 64, like 69 minus 5, 64. That's accurate. Okay, now guys, I'll just show you an example. So I walk, and you will see it. I walk. Now after 10 seconds, it's gonna buzz a alarm. I'm not sure if you guys can hear it, but I can hear the alarm. If you can't hear the alarm, just give me a second, I'll make you hear it. So guys, the alarm is working over here. I'll just put the Mbot a little closer. 1 second, I'll have to reset the program. Wait, I have to stop the program. I'll just stop it in a second. I have stopped the program. Now I'll keep the Mbot near to the computer, and you might see it very little bit. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, you might see it, but it's very little. It's okay. Yeah. So over here, my Mbot is there, and I'll just start the program over here. I have started the program. I'll get the remote and press the settings button. So yeah, you can see the little bit blue lights. Now it's done. Now I have to just move. Oh, I'll wave my hand. I'm not sure you can hear, but wait, it's not buzzing. When it buzz, I'll just tell you. So the alarm is buzzing. So I think you can hear little. So thank you for watching this video, guys. And if you didn't hear the voice, it's okay. But just please try this project because it really buzzes, and the microphone, because I'm wearing a headphone, so oh, it buzzed right now. Wait, let me just stop the project. Yeah. So what was I telling? I was telling that please try this in your home. And if you couldn't hear, I'm really sorry because I'm using a headphone, and even my computer's microphone did not work. Like it could not trap the voice. So yeah, if you like the video, please subscribe, like the video, and click the like button, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you, and bye. Please make this and please try this once. It's gonna be good. And I had fun with my sister. What did I do? Like, if you know those 10 seconds, if you remove the 10 seconds and make the alarm for only 1 second, like you can make, like, this is the invisible, like this is the invisible line, and you have to try to, like, you can keep it in higher levels. You can jump, or you can try to go under it. And if it alarm, like if the alarm buzzes, that means you're, yeah. So thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed and you're new to my channel. Smash the like button. Bye, see you guys.